Kani gade ke Pati CTV.
Hadin ke jeng yo khobor halor ke jeng temu ke sarkar banwanra ya ke jeng penkala ya ki katto ka ne ki kendon hakaan Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Act 2012 na kalyang convener jong kasang Machaprang movement uba Michael CM henne kasni ka arpo trek uleber ulawan chakmat ban paw la ka jong kanya halor ke ne ki jeng temu jong ke sarkar habakaran hakinong pathai khobor hasilong press club uba Michael CM ulaong balada ka sarkar kawara ru ya ke jeng penkala hakani kaan kamdai pat ban kata ya ki katto ka ne ki kendon ki bakham kongsan kabalang ru kat kum gajing patha jo kayeng bisar ka ba khri do jangkari ka Supreme Court.
Focus tangi ke Machaprang belum ditangani. But the spirit, the essence of the act, but all marriages should be registered, should be compulsory registered, should remain. No matter what amendments you make regarding the rules of how you register a marriage, the essence of the act more should not be touched, should not be altered, should not be amended. And the essence of the act longba, marriages should be compulsory registered. Kumakla raga Supreme Court, direct Supreme Court. Failing which, naklian jongi Machaprang, we will also approach the Court of Law or take alternative measures.
Kani gade ke Pati CTV.